Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Double D's Quickie Reviews. Now, when I was in Omaha this week, I went to a Walmart. Of course, I had to go to a Walmart. We always got to go to a Walmart. I've been to a Walmart every day this week. I work at Walmart. It's a pain. Anyways, one of the things I found was when I was going through their entertainment section, I always look, trying to find something new. Don't usually find anything, but here in the, where were we? Council Bluffs, I believe. Yeah, Council Bluffs Walmart. I found this. The Doctor Who Tardis. This thing. Come through the magazine. Says right there. Now, I don't actually know what this looks like inside. I've been waiting to open it for this video. But everybody knows I love Doctor Who. It was, I believe, $39.95. I spent way too much on this trip, by the way. Well, let's get inside and take a look. Okay, apparently it's not sealed. Oops. Leave this open. Boop. Okay. Box empty. This must be the magazine they were referring to. Now, I do have a version of the second Doctor's Tardis from the War Games, one of my favorite arcs. Of course, various internal consoles. I'll have to read this later. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's take a look at the big boy right here. I can figure out how to get it open. Okay, apparently I have to cut the styrofoam. Well, not styrofoam, but the... Try not to actually cut the Tardis inside. This had better not suck for 40 bucks. What the hell is the damn tape? I don't know why they go through so much pressure. They don't freaking protect anything else like this. Okay, let's get it open. Ooh, that is heavy. That is heavy. Smaller than I was expecting, but heavy. There it is. The Tardis. $39.95. Stands in my roar. Stands about 6 inches tall. It's very clean. The 11th Doctor. I'm not sure this is supposed to be like a blind box thing, because it didn't really say which Doctor, but there it is. That is pretty. So clean. I like it. What do you think? Who was your favorite Doctor? What was your favorite Tardis? Let me know. That was it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and y'all have a nice night. Double D